Hello everyone, this is Chris and Jamie, and we are with Sticker Fab. Jamie, my wife, is the one that fulfills a lot of these orders along with my brother-in-law. Today we are talking about the 2024 Land Cruiser. What we did was do our topographic map B-pillar overlays right here. This is a good area to overlay to give it a little bit of styling, and also as the vehicle ages, becomes older, it becomes susceptible to a little damage, a lot from UV. Maybe you guys go through automatic car washes or whatnot, but this area tends to become discolored. So we're going to cover it up with one of our products. We'll probably come back and do this in different designs, but this is all printed, and then we have a UV resistant laminate over it. It's really good, really scratch resistant, so it should look like that for a long time. What I wanted to do was go through an installation with you guys so you can get this installed on your vehicle just as easily as I did. Right now it's 89 degrees in Fort Myers. You want to do this install above 70 degrees so that adhesive can become warm, so the pillars are already warm as well. Don't do it when it's cold. Don't think you could just add a little bit of heat to it. Don't do it in a very cold garage. It's kind of like the middle of summer right now, but come winter, if it's 55 degrees in your garage, don't start this installation until it gets a little bit warmer, until it gets above 70 degrees. If it was over 70 degrees and really sunny, I would have to go in the shade because the material would become very soft and it would stretch out actually, and that's not what we want it to do. We want the adhesive to be warm, but we don't want the material to stretch out as you try to get it installed. Let me grab the prints. I'll grab a microfiber, our Sticker Fab installation fluid, and a felt lined squeegee, which you can purchase on our website, and that's all we will need to get this done. So you can see on these overlays, we have them labeled. This was the driver's side that we already installed, and here's the passenger side. All right, so what I have in my hands is Sticker Fab installation fluid, our microfiber, and that squeegee. I'm gonna go clean off that pillar first. We can knock out both of them. Using the installation fluid is fine for this. And then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna spray it down once more. I can set my microfiber down. We'll use that at the end. I'm going to peel this back. Make sure you're doing this when it's not too windy. But to prevent it from accidentally catching wind and folding back on itself and sticking permanently, you can spray it as you go. So what this does is, if it did get stuck, you could actually peel it back apart. Make sure your coverage with the application fluid on the pillar is still good. And then line it up. This application fluid does two things. It lets you move the vinyl around so that you can get the proper alignment. So you don't have to be a pro and immediately stick it in the right place. And then, once you get that proper alignment, you can squeegee out all of the fluid under it, and I'll take the air out as well. We do use air egress material, so it has little channels for the air and fluid to go. You want it to be a little bit above this weather strip, and then come a little bit below the top. So gently squeegee it out. Always do a little bit towards the bottom and a little bit towards the top. And there we have that side installed. Let's grab the rear piece. Same thing, we're gonna peel and spray. Of course, if you had a little help and your help wasn't holding a camera, they could hold that for you while you spray. As you can see, these lines, they flow together. The design goes through one and continues in the other pillar. So you kind of want these to be aligned evenly. Again, a little bit towards the bottom, maybe a little bit towards the side because I could see it bunching up right there. I can tell it's a little bit over this lip right here, so I'm going to peel it back and move it just a little bit forward. Ideally, you want this mounted on a flat surface so that it doesn't catch air or come up. So when you go through an automatic car wash, let's say you do that, it doesn't actually catch underneath it and peel it up. I'm going to gently push this vinyl out since it's bunching up. I can even pick it up at the bottom if I want to. Give it a place to go. Lay it back down. That's all because of that application fluid. In a pinch, you can use 1 drop of dish soap per 1 cup of water, but this fluid is really the best thing you could ever have. And there you go. Take that microfiber, clean it all the way down, and you're ready to go. Give it a few hours to dry out before you hit that highway. You should be good. So for more products like this, go to our website. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest things we're coming out with for the 2024 End Up Toyota Land Cruiser.